Hey, it's Noe with WTI. Do you want to know the secret to seamless kitchen seating? Well, it's all in the height. Let me introduce to you this gorgeous set of 4 counter height bar stools from LukeAlon. These bar stools exceeded our expectations. They were easy to assemble and the instructions were super clear. I love that it comes in a set of 4, which allows us to have enough seating all around the island. These are super comfortable and easy to get in and out of. These are sturdy, high quality, solid wood, which I know helps with durability and also the longevity of these bar stools. Even though these are counter height, it really tailored well to a variety of heights, which makes these seats great for any guests. They're easy to slide in and out, and I love that they have a low backrest, which not only offers support, but allows these to be tucked in under your counter beautifully. These come in a variety of colors and heights as well. We have the linen, which is so beautiful and matches our kitchen perfectly. So if you're looking to have both comfort and style, then I would highly recommend this set of 4 counter height bar stools from LukeAlon. And that's my point of view.